In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best ironing boards available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The Brabantia Ironing Board B is the best board I've ever used. It's stable and lighter than the more expensive boards I've tried, yet it's a fraction of the cost. The Brabantia B opens quietly and folds flat, making it comfortable to use and store in a small apartment or laundry room. We also like that it comes with a 10-year warranty, indicating that Brabantia is confident in the longevity of its ironing board. I've been using this board on a regular basis since early 2017 and have even moved it across the nation, and it still looks brand new. The iron rest is permanently attached, which is inconvenient if you want to use the board's squared-off end. The Brabantia B, on the other hand, is one of the few stands I've tried that genuinely keeps an iron motionless and prevents cords from being twisted between the iron rest and the board. The Minky Ergo Plus is not only a very functional ironing board, but also a lovely modern piece that would look excellent in any home. This is possibly one of the best ironing boards in terms of power and peak performance, thanks to its ergonomic design. With comfort at the forefront of this design and a maximum height of 37 inches, the outcome is a 100 inches cotton Prazone cover with great attributes, allowing for faster wrinkle removal and overall ironing. This is due to the cushion cover's special heat-reflecting metallic covering. It also has an Ergo rack, which boosts the job's pace while also providing a more user-friendly design and resting position. Tangling and snagging are a thing of the past with the Ergo Plus board, thanks to a simple flex guide that holds the iron cord in place. This type, which comes with a 5-year guarantee, makes ironing easier while ensuring the board stays in position thanks to its solid and robust long loop legs. Furthermore, this 48 by 15 inches size provides access to a low-level rack, where you may even store your steam generator if you wish. We recommend the Homz Durabilt DB100 Premium Steel Top Ironing Board for a large, durable board. The Homz is 1/2 inches higher than the Brabantia B and has 5 inches more length to work with if you're tall or need more surface area for huge jobs. The Homz is slightly less stable, but it still maintains a high level of stability, which is impressive given its size. Its extra wide legs keep it firmly planted on the floor, and it can support even the heaviest blankets and quilts. Unlike the Brabantia B, the Homz has a retractable iron rest, allowing access to both ends of the board. The Homz's legs might be difficult to unlock, and while this board takes up more storage space and costs more than the Brabantia B, we've been recommending it since 2016 and continue to find it to be strong and trustworthy. Our best tabletop ironing board choice and Amazon's top pick is the Honey Can Do Tabletop Ironing Board. This board not only has the convenience of being a tabletop model, but it also expands in size thanks to its retractable iron rest. This means that instead of having to place the iron back on the board each time, you'll have a more full ironing surface right away, as well as a safe place to store the iron when it's not in use. Even better, when you aren't utilizing this rest, you can simply push it back in and out of sight. When room is limited or when there isn't enough time to pull out a bulkier ironing board, this is the easier of the boards to use. The Honey Can Do model is a polycotton covered board with a pad underneath for enhanced comfort that can be compressed and put away out of sight when you're done using it. This is ideal for college students, crafters, and those who live in smaller accommodations because it is light in weight and has precisely the proper size to iron full clothes. It's also a terrific model to take on the road with you, ensuring that you look your best even after being on the road for several hours. The reliable 320 lb longboard is not only one of the best ironing boards for quilting in our opinion, but it has also received Amazon's approval. This is a one-of-a-kind design since it includes a 2-in-1 feature that is uncommon in such products. This allows you to utilize it as a conventional ironing surface and then instantly move to a longer board when needed, giving you a larger area ranging from 18.9 by 60 inches to 67 inches if preferred. Quilters and knitters will appreciate the extra length of the board. The reliable longboard is built with a robust frame to ensure maximum stability throughout, which is improved by its double wishbone legs that prevent the board from wobbling. It has a 7-step height adjustment ranging from 30 inches to 38 inches. The iron station area is additionally expanded and exceptionally sturdy, and most significantly, ergonomically built to lessen the wrist bending action each time you reach for your iron. This model also includes a useful laundry rack that not only lets you to hang folded items on it, but also serves as an attachment for ironing dresses, robes, and longer length apparel. This ironing board is a dependable ironing board with a 10-year frame warranty, 2 additional cover pads, and an added heat insert that acts as a heat and fire-resistant solution. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.